Hi everyone, welcome back to Cam's Toy Box. So today I have another Trolls vending machine surprise video. The last one I did, I really wanted to get Guy Diamond, and I was so disappointed I didn't get to open him. So I'm going to get my coins ready and we're going to try for him again today. Let's see what surprises we get. Okay, so I have my first set of coins ready to go. Let's see what we get. So here is a Series 2 Trolls blind bag. I'll get you the flyer so you can see who we're going to get today, or who we might get today. There's 6 on this side, and there are another 6 trolls we can get on this side. And who did we get? Oh, we have Karma. Not quite Guy Diamond, but she's pretty cool too. I love all the little green leaves she has in her hair. She is just really cool. Okay, 2 more coins. And another blind bag. And this is Luna. She's that little sleepy troll. Hello, Luna. Let me know if you saw Guy Diamond in there, because I'm really looking for him. And 2 more coins. Oh, look, we have Poppy. Hi, Poppy. And 2 more coins. I'm running low on coins. I hope I get him really soon. And it's another Karma. Oh, we got a twofer. How cool is that? I got 2 of them this time. Oh, that has to be something special. I'm so excited. I got 2 for the price of 1. And who do we have? Oh, it's another Poppy. Look at that. Hello, Poppy. Now we have 2 of you. Let's get that other one opened. Okay, let's see who's in our freebie one. Oh, and it's this troll. I absolutely love this one. Her purple dress and her matching purple hair is just so pretty. I don't know her name. Maybe you know it. I definitely don't know it. But I really think she's so pretty. Well, I'm all out of coins, so I'm so glad I got a free one this time. But I didn't get my Guy Diamond, so hopefully this vending machine will still be here and I can get some more coins, and we'll come back and we'll try to get some more. Thanks for watching Cam's Toy Box. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more toys, videos, and trolls every single day. I'll see you soon now. Bye!